We started our first year when we moved in this building. We wanted to let the community know that we exist. We wanted God to bring new converts. We want new people who have come here into this country and says, I'm looking for a church. God, where would you want me to go? Our heart was more to say, God, we want to see you do something different, something new, something out of the ordinary. And so we have about 13 different languages of people from different cultural backgrounds that are part of Living Hope that says, yeah, we're coming to fellowship. And that is what God is doing, just opening the door. And we're seeing people coming culturally diverse, people from different cultural background. And what we're doing, we're letting them come and getting to learn about who they are, their culture. We're not putting a lid over, hey, this is how we do things and this is what you should follow. We're like, help us understand.
The people that's coming on board or joining us as a group or joining this church are all new. They don't know about the gospel. They're now being saved. We have to teach them.
God has already painted our community, right, in such a way so beautifully. We just now need to find ways in which to how to engage with them. You know, our language, our culture may not be different, but it doesn't mean it becomes a barrier, right? It should be a bridge. We should find ways in building bridges to people who can speak our language, who can maybe cook the food that we will cook or eat the food that we will eat. But how do we embrace them? How do we embrace those culture? For me, Ministry Shares is the church itself, having this support from all the other smaller churches or the organization and this program that they have to say, as we receive these funding or money that are coming or tithes that are coming, here are some of the exciting things that we can do. And Ministry Share does the same thing, that you take that pool of money and you're able to give to programs like Kids Corner, like Faith Resonate. I think Ministry Share support Resonate. It supports pastors, it supports new church plant, it supports deacons, it supports elders, it supports so many different things, creating of kids material. And Ministry Shares is not just saying, hey, where are you going to receive your money and do nothing? I mean, you support international programs as well, missionaries are overseas.